everyone, welcome back to DeepBlueC. So today we're here in Annapolis, Maryland, looking for cicadas, and as you can tell, or as you can hear, there is a whole lot of cicadas here. It is about 85 decibels, so it's super loud, and there's going to be almost 1 trillion of them here, so I think it should be pretty easy to find some. Just so you can hear how loud the cicadas are, this is me talking while I'm listening to them in the woods here. You want to catch it? So these guys know when to come out because 8 inches below the soil where they are, it turns 64 degrees, and I don't know how they know after 17 years, but they come out when the ground temperature hits 64 degrees. So this is one of the brood 10 cicadas, and this year they'll lay their eggs, and then the next 17 years they will hatch, and then that will be the next generation of the brood 10 cicadas, and that will be in 2038. After these guys come up out of the ground, they only live for about 2 or 3, maybe 4 weeks. So they really don't live long, and you only have a couple weeks to come up here and see them. So this year, these cicadas will lay their eggs up in tree branches. Then after they hatch, the little cicadas that hatch will fall out of the trees. They will burrow underground, and for 17 years, they'll eat tree roots until after that 17 years is up, and 8 inches below the soil gets 64 degrees, they'll come out and then lay more eggs. Here is a dead cicada right here. Whole bunch of these. You can't walk anywhere without almost stepping on one. They fall out of the trees after just a couple weeks, and they're everywhere.